Hello, my name is Sahil Malik and welcome to my course SharePoint Framework Extensions. We finally have a consistent dev story between SharePoint on-premises and SharePoint Online, a dev model that is built on modern and open technologies. SharePoint Framework Extensions are an integral part of the SPFX dev story. They allow you to modify portions of the SharePoint user experience other than web parts. You can modify well-defined areas of SharePoint pages using application customizers. You can take over the rendering of any column using field customizers or add custom commands using list view command sets. In this course, I will explain 3 SharePoint Framework extensions with the necessary demonstrations and code. Additionally, I will also talk about deployment and related concepts such as the Office 365 CDN and column formatters. At the end of this course, you should feel comfortable extending the SharePoint user experience to more than just web parts using SharePoint Framework extensions. I hope you find this course useful and thank you for watching.